Hello, hello, I hope you are well. Welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm doing a bag drop day today, so I'm gonna sell you bags and accessories on my website, bamluxurystore.com. It's amazing how it grows. I'm so excited. So we are going to start diving the video. I'm gonna show you the first item I have to sell you. This is a luxury bag. Everything, of course, is authentic, and I'm gonna explain who I am and what I'm doing more and more. Stay until the end because I have a huge surprise also at the end. Yeah, let's go. Anyway, so the first bag I have today, because it's backdrop day and that is available right now on the website, is a Dior. So we have a dust bag for this one, and we also have for this one the invoice. Usually we do not have invoices because it's secondhand, sometimes new, but like depending on clients. But we have the invoice. It was bought at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport in 2018. Like the price paid was 2,444 euro, and we do not sell it at that price, of course. So I'm going to show you what bag it is. So we have a Dior bag. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's a white Dior bag. It's amazing. It's a white, but white a bit cream, I would say. Not white, like look at the difference of the webs of this bag. Beautiful gold chain with the CD. The chains are pretty heavy. I love it. It's so good quality. So you can wear it either with the chain on the shoulder, double chain, or you can also wear this one here with this part like this. So it's actually super cute. I love it. We had one like this in green, light green, but it was sold out so freaking quick. Like it was insane actually. So condition of it is very good. We have some few scratches on the front, but it's very little. On the back, you have some little scratches also, but little stain, but you almost cannot see it. Over the rise, bottom of the bag is very good. Corners are amazing. Nothing to say on this side. Inside is suede leather, like nubuck suede leather and leather. So it's quite good. We have some very few little stain also inside. You have a pocket here that you can close, very good condition, but you also have like two pockets here. So it's a very good one. You have in description of this video every link to go on the website. On the website you have description of the items and photos, everything. You can buy directly on the website, of course. We ship worldwide. I say we because I created this with my partner Vincent. So we are partner in business and partner in life. We are French. We live in Barcelona, but we ship worldwide. We already shipped to the US multiple times, to Germany, Denmark, Canada, Dubai, like all around the world. All the prices that you see are taxes included. So I know in the US it's different. The price that you see is not included, but we include every taxes inside except for customs. So you will need to pay customs probably on arrival. Usually it's around 10%. It's never above like 20%. Usually for leather bags it's 10% maximum, depend on the custom and on the country, but it's never above a 20% of the price of a bag that you buy. Anyway, let's start. We also allow payment installments, so you can pay up to 4 months. For this, you need to contact us directly. Anyway, I'm gonna give you the price for this little baby. So the price is 1,350 euro. I will also add on the screen the US dollar price and the UK price. You will be able on the website to pay in US dollar if you wish. Okay, so let's go for another item. What can I show you? I have lots of things. Oh, yes, I know. I can show you this amazing Louis Vuitton kippo. This one is a size 55. It's a very good size. Condition of it is quite good, actually. And the leather is not that tan. It's pretty light still. So it's very nice. It's a very recent one. Hardware is very good condition too. We have the tag name here, so you can still go to Louis Vuitton to have your name engraved in it. It's possible. I don't know if you need to pay or not for this. It used to be free, but maybe now you have to pay it. But still interesting too. Leather parts are quite good actually. You have some stains on the bottom of the bag, of course. It's a kippo, so it's need to be used, but it's nothing that much. You have all the photo on the website. I repeat myself. And those are in great condition. I'm super excited. behind of the bag, like it's also in very good condition, no like stain, so it's very nice. And inside also is very good. You will see on the website you have a full description. The price is very good. We have a price of 600 euro, knowing that right now on the website it's way more. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the side and we're gonna go for something else. Just 1 minute. Just wanted to say to you that, like, if you're new to this channel, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags, a very expensive passion. I guess if you're here also on this YouTube, it's like you also have the same passion or you like bags. I mostly talk about luxury handbags and fashion and beauty. I do YouTube videos on Wednesday and Sunday, and these days I do a little bit more because it's soon to be Christmas. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like the content. So another item I want to show you is this here. This is a Gucci one. It's a full set. So this one is from my personal collection. I honestly completely forgot I had it. I know. So I wore it like maybe 1 or 2 times maximum because we moved a lot these last few years. Now we stopped moving. We are French. We are based in Spain now, in Barcelona, and we plan on living here for quite a long time because we love it here. So I actually found this bag like by moving some few stuff, and I'm going to sell it. So you have the box, you have the dust bag here, we have papers. I think can find the invoice. I'm not quite sure, but maybe I can find it. I usually keep everything, so I don't know. But anyway, this is for my personal collection for this one. This is the interlocking G-chain bag. It's a wallet and chain, I would say, from Gucci in leather. So it's a very good one. You have a very, very large chain, so you can wear it like crossbody. You can, if you want to remove the chain on the crossbody, like the strap, so it's very nice. So condition of it is a very good condition. Like I wore it like maybe 1 or 2 times, so it's actually nice. Leather outside is amazing. It still smells leather, guys. It's fucking crazy. Anyway, hardware is kind of champagne. It's not silver, it's not gold, it's champagne, I would say. Like the hardware on the outside has little scratches, but yeah, and it starts like to be a bit more dark, but it's like still in very good condition. So yeah, inside now, as you can see, you can remove the strap if you want and leave it as a pochette, like a pouch or whatever you want. We can remove like papers inside. As you can see, I still have like the papers where you still have like where you usually have credit cards. Inside I have a little paper controlato thing. You have here a zipper pocket for coins, so this is good. It's brand new because I never used it actually. And on this side you have lots of pocket section too, lots of card section, and on this side too. So it's actually very good. The 2 times I used it to put my phone and credit cards. That's it. So I can show you. So I have a phone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it's the biggest one. I also have like a huge phone case. Like it's a huge one, and it fits perfectly inside. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So voila, it's perfect inside. You can add like probably like credit cards and like use the coin case, but that's it. And look how it looks like. It's perfect. Like it's gorgeous. It's amazing. And the price is 500 euro. This one, I do not know yet if I put this on the website because it's from my personal collection. It's not from BAM Luxury Store. So I'm not going to sell it like with my company because I own this company with my partner Vincent. We are co-founder of bamluxurystore.com. Every link of the items you see here are down below and you can click and buy it on the website. So I don't know for this one if I'm going to sell it directly on the website or not, because if I sell it on the website, I need to add like VAT and taxes and everything. And it's from my personal collection, so I don't know if I, want to sell it like with taxes and everything. I'll check, I'll think about it. But anyway, either it's available on the website and you buy it directly on the website, either it will be available directly from me and you can pay like through bank transfer or through PayPal, friends and family. We'll see. But yeah, I don't know yet. I'll consider this and I will check. Anyway, okay, I'm just gonna put this here back in his little dust bag because I'm going now to show you something else that I have to sell. Oh yes, I have this. I think you will enjoy it. So we have a beautiful scarf from Louis Vuitton. It's a 94% wool scarf and a 6% silk scarf. So it's very good. It's a gray one, monogram. As you can see, whoop, it's not brand new. It was a little bit used. You can see how it is. And we have one to stain. It's here, I believe. I believe I can fly. Yeah, I know. I start becoming crazy. Okay, see here. So I have it here. So we have a little stain here, and where is it? And a little here, but it's not. You cannot really see it actually. And you can go and bring it to a dry cleaner or directly to Louis Vuitton. They also help to breathe on everything and clean it. But yeah, dry cleaner is easier, and we have the etiquette, like we have the tag from Louis Vuitton, and it's 300 euros. So it's very good. Knowing that it's like a scarf from Louis Vuitton, usually it's way more expensive. We have a very good price available on the website, and yeah, I'm so excited because it's the first time we have it. It's full winter, so it's perfect. Ta-da! Fendi bag, I'm very excited. This is a vintage one, good condition, I would say. We have leather parts and fabric Fendi, like monogram Fendi. This is a Zucca bag, I would say. We have leather here, brown leather that is a bit used. You can change the size of the strap if you want. Here, the leather part is also a bit used. Otherwise, condition of the fabric is quite good. We can open here, and we have a large pocket inside, and with a zipper pocket also. The inside of the bag is quite amazing. We had the card for this one. This is a buying card. So when you buy, you have this card. This is not an authenticity card. Fendi do not sell with authenticity card, but you have all the information of the bag. It's like the tag of the bag when you buy in store, you have like the tag of it. Anyway, this is a very cool bag, and the price for this one is quite good if I remember correctly. Oh yeah, it's 529 euros, so it's quite amazing. So nice, very trendy bag, super easy to wear. I quite love it. Like Fendi bags are amazing. Okay guys, I have another item I want to show you. So this is a wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is a B-fold wallet. So this one is used. You'll see the price is super low because it was used. But so the outside of it. So you have corners and sides that are used. Also here a little bit. You will have every photo on the website, guys. You can check the description, everything. If you are from the US, you can even buy in US dollar on the website directly. Okay, button pressure works very fine. We have this side of it when you open, so you can put credit cards. You have two pockets here, another pocket here that is like that has some little damage, but nothing that big. Otherwise, other part of the wallet is here. So a bit vintage. It's a bit used inside, but it's just a bit dirty. But overall, it's very good condition this way. And the price for this one is 149 euro. I know this is so freaking low, but yeah, I'm super happy actually because it's used, so we were able to very negotiate the price. Also, guys, I had this amazing Louis Vuitton item for you. We have the box for this one, and this is a twilly. Well, at Louis Vuitton, it's not called a twilly; it's called a bandeau, but it's kind of a twilly silk mini scarf. Look at the beauty of this. Gorgeous different colors on this one. Every photos are on the website. So for this, you can wear it on the hair, around the neck, around the wrist, or you can put them on your bags, guys. So it's very nice. Condition of it is very good. The only thing about this one, I know there is one thread, yeah, here. So you have, we don't see much, but we have little threads going out here, but otherwise super good condition, and the price is 180 euro. Very good condition. I hope you will enjoy the price for this. It's a very good gift idea also for Christmas. Voila. Sorry for the accent and for the small mistakes I make. Sorry. I'm not fluent in English, so sorry in advance, but I hope you will enjoy my videos, and I'll see you soon. Bisous. Bye.